All right, so here's a look at this toilet. Now this is gonna be great for either if you want this to be bedside or if you want it here in the bathroom. Now we've got it set it up right here over the toilet, and this is a different configuration that you're gonna have probably in your bedroom, because you can see here, this is kind of a raised toilet seat. It's gonna go up above your toilet and there's no installation. You really just set this over the toilet like that and it's all ready to go. Now we've got it here on the highest setting, and this is going to help for people who don't have as much mobility to squat and sit down at a lower angle. So you can see this is all the way up, but there's space right here, right? So if they don't have perfect aim, they might miss the toilet, and that's why it comes with this splash guard. So you just kind of throw this over the top right here, and then this is going to help them hit the toilet every single time with no mess. So I like the fact that they added this in. This is such a great tool to add in for this toilet seat raiser. Now you can see up here it's got the toilet seat itself, and then it's got the toilet seat cover, which are really easy. They're nice and smooth, and they fit right there on this back bar. Now the other part of this, so if you have this set up in a bedroom or anywhere else in the house, this is nice because you could just throw this right over the top, and it's essentially a bucket with a lid. So when they're done going, you could easily just grab this up when you put on the lid, and then grab it up and bring it out to throw it away. It's also gonna have, you could also add liners in here as well. So if you've got any type of plastic liner, you could easily just throw that in there, and that's gonna make cleanup a lot easier. But this toilet bowl is really flat, which makes it nice and easy to clean out. There's no grooves or anything like that. So very, very easy cleanup for this. Now, if we take this off all the way, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to move it around, because I know some people will leave it here in the bathroom in the daytime, and then in the evenings or at night, they'll bring it into the bedroom. So you're just gonna pop these little clips off here on the side. This middle piece is going to swing down like this, and then you can fold the arms in, making it super easy to bring with you. It's very lightweight, pretty easy to move around, and again, this is perfect for if you have it in the bathroom and you need to move it to another room. Really easy. You don't have to use any tools or anything like that. It's just a couple of clip-in buttons and you can bring it with you. You could also easily put this down in the back of a car, making it easy to bring it with you on the go. And overall, this is just a really comfortable, easy to use toilet. You could use it in the bathroom. You could use it other places in the house. It's also adjustable. So if your person is a little shorter or a little taller, you can easily just adjust these buttons over here on the side, and it's going to fit pretty much anybody. Now the weight limit on this is 350 pounds, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, overall, a very comfortable, easy to use toilet seat, either it be a raiser in the bathroom or a full-on toilet bedside. So if you're looking for a toilet like this, I would definitely recommend this one.